Hey everyone, Gil here at Gray Man Prepping. I'm working on an indoor garden. I'm going to get this turned around here and I'll go through some of the stuff I've done and why I did it and some of the changes I'm making to it. And we're going to work on a little project here with it too as well. So stick around and we'll get a lot done today. All right, so as you can see, the box is gone. And I took the tray here out of the box and I'm using the file rack to hold the lights above it. However, that was on there probably about 2 days and the plant started shooting up. And so I've gone ahead and down here, I've planted, I move things around here a little bit. I planted the one tomato plant, which was up into it, and it's already growing even more down here. I also put the little one down here because I'm going to be planting that down here later on when it gets a little bit bigger. But so I got that there done. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to get several of these of the trays here ready for starting seedlings and stuff for tomatoes and cantaloupe and more cucumbers and stuff. But I ran into a problem here trying to figure out how to get it up high enough, because like here I need to get this up higher because already the one cucumber there is practically touching the lights, and in another day or two it will be touching would have been touching the 3-foot lights there. So in fact, yeah, that tomato in there is getting up there close too. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to mount this up here on top, so I pick up another 7 inches or so of height. And so I'm going to get the tripod get this mounted back on the tripod, and we're going to watch as I get this here working, and hopefully this will work. Let me get the tools here. So what I'm going to do is I've marked 3 spots here on each side, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to drill a little hole in it, pilot hole. And then I'm going to put some screws and stuff on. So let me get this out of the way. Back up here. So that's up there. Now I'll be able just to put the lights up on it to get it to work like that. So I got this set up here for this one. Now I'm going to transfer the plants over to this one, and we're going to do some work here on it. So go back to some high speed here. I'm going to use some of these bowls here underneath to hold the water. So when the water tries to run through, it doesn't just fill up the bottom, doesn't get back to the plant. At least this way, it'll hold it right there where it keeps the bottom of the pot with water in it. That's what I did with this one here. It already does that. So right now I get sun through the a bit of sun through the blind, so I got them tilted just right to the angle of the sun. All right, so I set two of the lights up on one switch and the other two up on another switch. So when I'm getting sun down here, I'll turn the back two off here because I know they're getting full sun. I'll leave the front two on just to kind of spread it around, and I may just alternate it here. So I may switch this around with that one. I'll have to see what it looks like on the light meter. But when the sun's coming in here, I don't need to have all four of them on. So the next thing I get to do is to do the same thing with that one. But first, I'm just going to go ahead and add. Yes, this makes it so much easier to water these here without it being so close to them. Still, it's providing there we go. All right, set that out of the way. All right. So I need to run out to the shop and get 6 more washers, and I'll be right back. All right, I didn't make you watch me do it, even in high speed, the other one, because I did it exactly the same. So I got the other one all mounted on here, ready to go. I'm going to prep a bunch of pots before and put them down in here. The tomatoes are coming along. Okay. The one down the bottom there. That's what's surprising is that monster one down there. I mean, it's growing. It's growing more than all the other tomatoes put together. So we'll see how it goes. I put some more fertilizer on these. We'll see how they go. And all right, take care, and I'll see you around.